Here, the question says, find the coordinates of the stationary point on the curve y equal to x plus 2 by root over 2x minus 1. So, to find out the stationary point, we need to find out gradient. So, ddx of y, this is our first step. Then ddx of y will be 0. Okay, when we want to find out the stationary point on any curve, then we will use this idea. ddx of y will be 0. Okay, now we need to find out gradient. If y equal to x plus 2 by root over 2x minus 1, then we can say ddx of y will be, here denominator is root over 2x minus 1, so it will be at first root over 2x minus 1 into ddx of numerator, that is 1, minus numerator, and ddx of denominator will be ddx of root over 2x minus 1. So ddx of root over 2x minus 1 will be, ddx root x is 1 by 2 root over x. Then we need to do differentiate this part again. So ddx of 2x will be 2. So we are using this one here. 2 by 2 root over 2x minus 1. Now we can cancel 2 and 2, divided by root over 2x minus 1 whole square. And we need to find out the coordinates of the stationary point. So we can say that this ddx of y will be 0. Okay, so this one will be multiplied by 0. Then what will we get? We will get root over 2x minus 1 minus x plus 2 divided by root over 2x minus 1 equal to, this one will be multiplied by 0, so 0. Then do the LCM. So root over 2x minus 1, this one will be multiplied by this one, so we'll get 2x minus 1 minus into x plus 2 will be minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now 2x minus x, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This one will be multiplied by 0, so it will be 0. So x will be 3. This is our abscissa of this stationary point. Okay, the value of x. Now we need to find out y. So how can find out y? Y will be, instead of x, we will put 3 because the value of x equal to 3. So here 3 plus 2 by root over 2 into, instead of x, 3 minus 1. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Root over 2 3 is 6 minus 1. That means root over 5. Or 5 means root over 5 into root over 5 by root over 5. After cancelling this one, we will get root over 5. So what is the coordinates of the stationary point? The answer will be 3, root over